The removal and installation of drawers is necessary when moving cabinets in an outdoor kitchen. In order to insert the drawer, first make sure that the 21-inch glide assembly is fully retracted into the cabinet. The tabs at the back of the glide assembly are going to be inserted into the holes at the bottom of the drawer. Place the drawer on top of the glides so that the tabs are seated in the holes. Next, push the drawer back in. Adjustments shouldn't be necessary, but if they are needed, there are two parts on the underside of the drawer that can be moved. The thumb wheel allows the drawer to be moved left or right, and the slider allows the drawer to be moved up or down. Once any necessary refinements have been made, open and close the drawer to confirm that it's installed properly. In order to remove the drawer, first open it all the way. Locate the release levers on the underside of the drawer. Squeeze both levers at the same time and pull the drawer all the way out of the cabinet. Drawer removal and installation are simple processes that improve the efficiency of outdoor kitchen installation, facilitating a seamless integration of all components.